Here is a story from the Ramayana that teaches us about how do you deal with yourself and how do you remain composed in the midst of a highly challenging situation. The story of the Ramayana is when Ram, Lakshman and Sita are in the forest and the golden deer comes into their life. When the golden deer comes, at that time, Sita tells Ram that I need the golden deer. Ram tells Lakshman, take care of Sita, I'll come back. He runs after the deer. At a certain point, Ram realizes that it's not a golden deer, it's a demon named Marich. He shoots an arrow, kills Marich. While dying, Marich, in the voice of Ram, shouts out to Sita and Lakshman for help. And he dies. In the meanwhile, Sita, when she hears this voice of Ram calling out for help, she pushes Lakshman, she inspires him, tells him, go and help your brother. Lakshman tells her, don't worry, my brother doesn't need my help. Lakshman was very confident about Ram, and Sita was very concerned about Ram. And here is a challenge that is going to come up in a relationship. Sita began to push Lakshman, really urge him to go and help his brother. Lakshman is completely relaxed. And Sita, at that point, says something that really hurts Lakshman. Just to give you a context, this story of the Ramayana happens after 13 years of their exile. And for 13 long years, Lakshman has sacrificed so much for serving the two people he loves the most. 13 long years, he has not slept one night. When I say he has not slept one night, it doesn't mean that he was sleeping all day long. He wasn't doing a call center job. So all day long he was guarding them, all day long he was serving them, and all night long he was guarding them. And after 13 such years of sacrifice, sacrificing his youth, sacrificing his comforts, sacrificing his wealth, sacrificing practically everything, this is what Sita tells him. Sita tells him, I know why you're here. You're waiting for an opportunity that Ram goes away so that he can enjoy me. Can you imagine? Sita is doubting his character. When Lakshman hears that, he's so hurt. He tells her, I'm going away, but I know for sure when I come back, you won't be here. And Lakshman goes away. And then he comes across Ram. Ram asks him, what are you doing here? I told you to take care of Sita. And then when they both come back, they find Sita is missing. Ram blasts him like anything. Ram starts telling him, you are useless. You have no competence. Who told you to come here? Blasts him like anything. Can you imagine? Two people whom he has sacrificed so much for, two people whom he has loved the most in his life, one is doubting his character and one is doubting his competence. For somebody whose character and competence is doubted, what is the inspiration to continue in that relationship? For most people who were in Lakshman's place, they would have just walked out of the relationship. They would have said, hell with both of them, going back to Ayodhya. Lakshman could have packed his bag and gone back. But Lakshman continued in spite of the challenge in the relationship. And that teaches us a very important element of what good relationships is about. How do you deal with challenges with composure? I say, Lakshman did what I call as press the pause button. When Sita spoke those words, Lakshman pressed the pause button. And he asked himself a question. The question he asked himself was, does Sita mean what she spoke? And the answer that he got from within his heart was no. Her concern for Ram is coming out of the form of those words. And when Ram spoke those words, again Lakshman pressed the pause button. And he asked himself the same question, does Ram mean what he spoke? And the answer that he got was no. His concern for Sita is coming out of the form of those words. The question is, whenever I tell the story, people ask me, in such situations of life, what to speak of pressing the pause button? You don't know where the remote control of your life is. What inspired Lakshman to press the pause button? If you just understand Lakshman's personality in the Ramayana, he was an angry young man. At the drop of the hat, he would get angry. And such an angry person, such a volatile person, in such a challenging situation of life, how did he manage to philosophize, think of pause button and all that? One single thought helped Lakshman press the pause button. And that's the one thought that can help all of us when we're going through challenges in our relationships. The thought that Lakshman had in his mind was a thought of gratitude. Lakshman thought, when Sita spoke those words, and he pressed the pause button, the one thought that was in his mind was, 25 years Sita has deposited love in this relationship. And now she has made one withdrawal, one mistake. Should I forget to be grateful for the 25 years of love for this one mistake that she made? And when Ram spoke those words, again he had that same thought of gratitude. 40 years Ram has deposited love in this relationship. Should I forget to be grateful for the 40 years of love for this one mistake that Ram made? That one thought of gratitude helped Lakshman press the pause button.